Hi there, welcome to another Stealth Made Lego unboxing and review. Today we have one of my favorite films of all time, well actually based on one of my favorite films from all time, from the 1982 movie Tron. This is Tron Legacy. They finally released this Lego piece and I can't wait to get this build started. So let's check out the box and get to it. Okay, let's start with the front of the box here. You have the two light cycles on the front there, Sam Finn, and on the other side here you have Cora, and you have Renza, aka Tron. So this is really cool. Item number down the bottom shows off what the light cycles are going to look like. And at the top it just has Tron Legacy, Disney Tron Legacy logo, and the Lego logo on the top there. On the side we just have another Tron logo and a Lego logo. On the back here, let's have a look at this. We've got the two light cycles. It shows the platform that it comes with, or the grid. Also it shows Renza down there, Sam Finn and Cora. It also shows some of the capabilities or mobility of the actual pieces, which is cool. And just some other general information on the back there and all that. At the top we have a few of the pieces here as well. I think that's Sam without his helmet on, which is really cool. That means it's going to be another piece. And on this side here we have the Tron logo with the light cycles on the grid. Same on the top there. So that's a quick look at the box. Let's open this up and let's get this build started. Okay, just opening up the box now, and as you can see inside, it's just a normal little fold-out box. It's not really it doesn't open from the sides or anything like traditional Lego boxes. Or at least from some of the other builds. Bag number one looks like it's going to be the characters and the grid. And bag number two seems to be all the pieces of the light cycle. So there's only two bags in this one. It does come with its little instruction manual. And it's got the base thing on the back here. It shows all the descriptions. Oh, it's stuck together. Has a little bit of info on the actual characters here. Some little fun facts. And then it goes into the build itself. It's not that long. It only looks like it's about 60 something pages. There we go. It writes all the parts back here. This is really cool. It's going to look mad. Can't wait to finish this. 64 pages. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so taking a look into bag number one, and we have completed this bag here. We have Sam Finn himself. He's got his disc on the back, his outfit here, his hair, and if you can see, I'll just click in on this. Here we go. With the face. He has two different faces, this one here, and if I squeeze to the back, he's got a mean looking face there as well. You can take off the hair if you want and replace it with the helmet, like so. There we go. So that will be his helmet for when he's on his light cycle, which is pretty cool. So you can switch it up between the two, whether you want him just in fight mode, or if you want him in his rider mode. The other figure is Cora. So she comes with not one but two swords. but you can choose to put how many you want. She also has her disc stuck on the back there. If you take this off here, you can see they do have graphics on the back as well, but you got one of these pieces here, connected pieces, to put the disc on. She has a normal face here, kind of a smug, smiling face, and then on the back, she has her mean face as well. I'll just zoom in on that there we go. So she also has a mean face. She does not come with a helmet or anything, but the graphics on the front here, we'll just have a closer look pretty cool. So they've done a good job with the light suits, which is really cool. And this also came with Renza, aka Tron himself. So he has the double discs on the back. They connect to each other just like that. So I'll just take this off so you can see. So it's 2 discs on the back there that you just clip in like so. Oops. There we go. He's also got graphics on the back of his suit too. The front looks pretty cool though. And his helmet is probably one of the best parts. I love this thing. Take off the helmet and he's just got the face there. He doesn't have anything on the back of his head, so he's just got one mean face. I'll just put that back on. He doesn't come with any other weapons. He's only got his 2 discs. And that's it. Now, moving on to the grid itself. So here we have the actual grid. This didn't take long to put together. It only took about 5 minutes, not even. It was a quick build, and yeah. I like how they use these little light pieces as the light up parts of the grid, which is really cool. It's got two places where you can put the characters there if you want, so you can pin them down like that, 1 and 2. So you can position them however you want, like that, which is pretty cool. Or you can place the light cycles on those spots, which I will do as soon as I'm finished this build. Okay, moving on to bag number 2. For a pretty basic and simple design for a small figure, or for the small piece, it's really cool. It's got the motors here on the side. You've got the light rims here, or the hubs. They don't light up, but you know, anyway, it's still pretty cool. Handlebars are there. You've even got the light jet wall, which is really cool. And you can kind of swirl that around. You can position the height of it as well, but you know, that's a pretty good height there because it sits about level. But yeah, so that is the blue light cycle, and I'll show you the orange one here, Renza's one. He's got the orange jet wall at the back with the orange glowing hubs. A little light here in the bottom there, or a little piece there, but again, they don't glow. Motor shows there, and the orange, what I'm guessing would be the lights on the side. Same thing on this one here. You got the handlebars, and yeah, and these hubs or wheels to spin as well. Well, that's it. That's all of it together. I think this is a really cool build. It took me just over an hour to build, so To put it all together, it took me just over 1 hour. This is definitely a piece I would suggest for everyone who is a Lego fan and anyone that's a Tron fan. Tron Legacy, I really wish they would release the original Tron light cycles from the 1982 film. But these are cool. I love these light cycles. Lego, please release the original light cycle from Tron Legacy. Actually, I would love to see the other light cycles done, but this is cool. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna put these on the grid like so. Oops, one there and one here, like that. I put Renzo on his. Let's take off one of these and have him hold that. Kind of turn his head slightly. Chuck him in here to, whoops. He's supposed to sit like that. And let's put Sam in there as well. I'm going to take off that helmet. I'm going to put this one on. And I'm just going to have him riding his light cycle. Like so. They clip in pretty well. I mean, this is pretty simple to piece together. Like that. There we go. Oops. That did not work out the way I hoped. His face shield come off. I mean, these are really delicate pieces, but they are really, really cool. There we go. He's clipped in. He's locked on. They don't sit. They don't connect to anything in here. Their feet just kind of drop in at the back there. I don't know if you can see that really well or not. But yeah, they just kind of like lay there and connect these at the back like that. So there is Sam. There is Renzo, aka Tron, on the grid. I'll give you one final look at the whole thing. Like I said, you can position them however you want. This is really cool. I am a huge fan of Tron and Tron Legacy, so this is a piece that I've been waiting for a while, for a very long time. Ever since the film came out, actually. And yeah. That looks really cool. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click the like and subscribe button, and I will have much more for you in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.